What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Honda Odyssey, and today we're going to replace a remote key fob battery.
Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do with the key fob is flip it over, and on the back of the key fob there's this button here that you're going to slide to the right, and you're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. And you're going to take the remote and turn it like this. You want the buttons facing down. We're going to split this remote open using a screwdriver. And the reason why you want the buttons facing down is that when you split this remote open, all these buttons are loose, okay, and they can fall out. I'm doing this in the car, so I don't want them falling out all over the center console. That would be very bad. But you're going to stick the screwdriver in like this, and you can just give it a little twist. You can see how it splits open. And we can take the back cover off, and then we're going to hold it like this, okay? Now all this is loose now. If this comes out, you know, the buttons will fall out, but we can hold it like this. Then we can pry the battery out of it. I'll show you what size the battery is. We'll get a new one. And here is the battery right here. We got a, see if the camera can get that. This is an Energizer CR2032 battery with a positive sign. You see the little positive? It's gonna be facing out. You just stick it right in and it'll click right in just like that. If you need a battery, check the description box below. There'll be a link that takes you to Amazon where you get a new battery. They're nice and cheap there, but we just get the back cover, snap it on. You heard it snap like that. Put the emergency key back in, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.